present value annuity and derivation of formula. Recall that the term annuity refers to a finite series of fixed payments made at regular intervals of time. When we make fixed payments to repay a loan, it is an example of present value annuity. Recall the example of present value annuity that we saw earlier. The bank charges compound interest at a certain rate on the reducing balance or the outstanding amount of the loan. Therefore, if you reduce the balance quickly by increasing the monthly payment amount or by making additional payments, you will pay less amount of interest. Let us explore this concept using an example. Tony buys a house for 1.5 million rand. He pays 10% in cash and takes out a home loan for the balance. The bank charges an interest rate of 8% per annum, compounded monthly. How much would he need to repay each month if he wants to repay the loan over 20 years? Calculate the total amount of money paid on the house by the end of 20 years. Solution. Let us first calculate the loan amount. Cash deposit equals 10% or 0.1 of the cost of the house. Loan amount equals 1,350,000 rand. Let us now draw a timeline to depict the loan repayments. Let us assume X to be the amount that he pays monthly. The first payment will start at the end of the first month. That is T1, and the last payment will be made at the end of 20 times 12 equals 240 months. That is at T240. The interest rate on the loan is 8% per annum, compounded monthly. We now calculate the effective monthly rate to be. We can now equate the future value of loan at N to the geometric series of regular payments together with the interest accrued over the period. We will use the formula for compound interest. A equals P times 1 plus I to the power N. To simplify this, we can use the formula for the geometric series. Alternatively, we can use the future value annuity formula to sum the series of regular payments as payments start after one period and end in n periods. Compounding period matches the frequency of payments. We need to make P the subject of the formula, multiplying both sides of the equation by 1 plus I to the power minus n. This formula is a quicker way to find X when we know P, I, and N. Here, therefore, X equals 11,291 rand 94 cents. Hence, Tony will need to pay 11,291 rand 94 cents every month for a period of 20 years to repay the loan. The total amount of money that Tony would have paid on the house at the end of 20 years will be cash deposit of 150,000 rand plus regular payments over 240 months, 11,291 rand 94 cents times 240 equals 2,860,065 rand and 82 cents.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.